Understanding, I'm at a loss. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, I'm at a loss. Understanding such phrases is key to mastering conversational English, and that's exactly what we'll do in this video. So let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of I'm at a loss. The phrase, I'm at a loss, is an idiomatic expression used when someone feels confused, uncertain, or unable to decide what to do next. It's often used when a person is overwhelmed by a situation or when they lack the necessary information to make a decision. To better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. After reading the instructions, I'm still at a loss. Here, the speaker is confused about what to do after reading something potentially complex. 2. When she didn't arrive, I was at a loss. In this case, the speaker felt uncertain or worried due to someone's unexpected absence. It's important to note that I'm at a loss doesn't mean the speaker has lost something physically. It's a metaphorical way of expressing a state of mental confusion or uncertainty. Similar phrases include, I'm at my wit's end, indicates extreme frustration or confusion. I'm stumped, suggests that the speaker is puzzled or unable to find an answer. Thank you for joining us today. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of I'm at a loss. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a fun and important part of mastering English. If you have any questions or need further explanations, feel free to ask in the comments below. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.